Here's an overview of the histology of the ear. So we can divide the ear into outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. So the outer ear is composed of the auricle or pinna, or the external auditory meatus. Now for the middle ear, it's filled with air compared to the inner ear, it's filled with liquid, filled with perilymph or endolymph. For middle ear, it's also known as the tympanic cavity, and it first starts out as simple squamous epithelium and ends up as pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. So there's a change. So what does the middle ear house? It houses bony ossicles, so MIS, malleus, incus, and stapes. So between the outer ear and the middle ear, there's also the tympanic membrane, which we can also call the eardrum. So its outer surface is skin, but its inner surface is simple cuboidal epithelium. And so there's also a muscle that is innervated by a branch of CN5 or the trigeminal nerve, and it maintains the tension of the tympanic membrane or eardrum. It's called the tensor tympani muscle. And for the bony ossicles, the malleus, incus, and stapes, this is how it's arranged in the ear. So outermost malleus, incus, and then innermost stapes. So the stapedius muscle, it helps dampen movement of the stapes, and it's innervated by a branch of facial nerve 7, which is also the facial ang 7. Okay, so for the inner ear, it can be divided into the bony labyrinth and the membranous labyrinth. So what we need to know here is that the bony labyrinth houses the membranous labyrinth, and the bony labyrinth is filled with perilymph, whereas the membranous labyrinth is filled with endolymph. Bony labyrinth is composed of the semicircular canals, vestibule, and then the cochlea. The semicircular canals house the semicircular ducts. The vestibule houses the saccule and utricle, which is lined by simple squamous epithelium, both of them, simple squamous epithelium. And for the cochlea, it can be divided into three: the scala vestibuli, scala tympani, and scala media. So the scala vestibuli and scala tympani are part of the bony labyrinth, whereas the scala media is part of the membranous labyrinth.